guys, vlog ba. Maduri ko sa church na mo. Nako drum session. Ubanay ko ninyo guys. Let's go. Small dick energy is all that I smell. You better talk to me nice. You better talk to me nice. When your girl's baby, she's all really nice. I turn the charm on, then it's all with her time. You better talk to me nice. Guys, lost church. Drum session na ba? Drum session lang good, balag di hawad ba? Wala, di mo makapractice ka nung sa third day eh. Dahil importante at tuon ba? So, drum session na lang da. Let's go! Tanaraw yung drum session. Ay!
Guys,
Introduce yourself so.
para si MK. Akong drums for today, Sunday. Prepare me ka rin guys para Sunday's drums kaya wala si Lucky.
Yes. Bass gina mo siya, bass player, bass. Tapos, wala man yung matutugtog drums. Siya na lang. Wala man siya, back up dyan, pero ang back up drummer pod, doon ka drummer mi dire, ang back up drummer pod kayo, wala. I-drum session ito ni karon, let's go.
Oh, you are God, and we lift you up. We'll keep singing, we'll keep praising, we won't stop giving all we got, 'cause you're worthy of all glory and all. There is no other, you are forever. Lord,
What's up guys? Manami guys, drum session done. So yung masagin mo ba eh?
Ano siya? Paano akong learning ka drums?
Yo. Guys, manami guys. Out na mi out, pass it out.